You could build your company's value proposition all on your own. Plenty of teams do. They gather ideas, they craft messages, they hope it all clicks with customers, and sometimes it works. But sometimes it sounds right on paper, and still, when it gets out in the real world, it falls a little flat. The value proposition workshop isn't about telling you what to say, it's about helping your people discover what's already true and then express it in a way that customers actually feel. Yes, you'll come out of it with an emotionally powerful message, a value proposition that resonates in the heart as much as in brains. But let's face it, that's the easy part. You've got marketing expertise that could do this on their own. But there's something else that you really can't buy off the shelf. And that's a workforce that owns the story. People who believe deeply that everything they do helps deliver that promise to customers. And you know who customers trust most? It isn't your salespeople, it isn't your marketing team, it isn't even your executive team. It's the people inside your company that their people have to interact with. Those people tend to be very trustworthy. And when they have the message in their hearts, that's very powerful. So, if you're lucky enough to have a company that's ready for a deeper kind of alignment, one where your story isn't just told but lived every day, then why not accelerate the journey if you can afford it? That's what the value proposition workshop does. It turns understanding your value into owning your purpose. That's it.